My spoke protector finally arrives. I broke it. Well, some people or a lot of people probably remove this, but I'm putting this back for my safety. Some of my friends have the chain ruin their spoke, so this is CPFH56. It should be FH60, but they don't have it in America. I have to order it from Japan. The kit finally arrived. Tough. Let's see. I know what it contains. The kit. We have the wrench for freewheel, but I will use my other wrench. And the, what do you call this? The sprocket. I don't know what you call this. Sprocket wrench, maybe. This is the one that goes inside. Wow. This is just a decent tool. Less than 20 bucks. I'm good with this. It's taking too long. Okay. This is the hex, or the wrench that goes into the cassette. First, let's remove this. Oops. The brake. I keep on forgetting this. Okay. There you go. There. Before I remove the cassette, let's see if this is good fit. Ooh. Man. Looks like it's not. Let's try it without the gloves. Okay, so it goes in here. Press. Being careful not to break it. Okay. So there's a notch here. It's all towards the center. This one goes in. Okay, that goes in. That goes in. This one too. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit flexible, so you can really enter it. Okay, it fits perfectly on this. So here's the closer look. See, it fits in here, and here there are four fittings, or 4 notches, and then there's there. You just need to bend it a little bit. It's plastic anyway, it's flexible. So I kind of decided to put one back. I removed the old one because it cracked, and just for my safety, since especially with mountain biking, a lot of jumping and endo and those kind of things. Now let's remove this by holding this end, and there you go. Let's put this together in the same order. Yeah, see, it's cone. The spring is cone. Big here, similar to this. Okay, let's put this aside. So this is the wrench tool. Insert it and it fits in here. There. Now we get this tool here. Okay. This goes counterclockwise. Of course, I have to hold this. Comes the other tool. This one. There. And I choose that sprocket so that it encloses here. There. So now, let me have some leverage in here. There. And we'll use this as a leverage. This is a Shimano cassette, so I think the first two would come off and the rest are intact. There. I don't need this. It's loose. Once it's loose, you don't need those tools. And you're good. Okay. This one comes off. Oops. Yes. And this one here comes off. That's how Shimano is designed. And this one comes off. I'm putting it in the same order so I won't forget it. Well, I know which one is smaller. And then the rest comes off. There. And what? Remove my gloves and put this dork disc, or nicely called spoke protector. There, it's tight. Now I will be more peace of mind because I know that at least there's some kind of protection instead of going all to the spoke. It's okay if it ruins this, but if you're biking far or it will eject you. Now let's put it back. You know what, I said I will clean this, but I found this pretty clean. Just slotted, so you can feel it, how it goes. Come on, find the magic. Let me get some chair. There. Wow, amazing. I did not realize this is harder to put than I thought. It's already aligned. Okay, come on. It's already aligned. I don't want to force any. Yeah, there you go. There's the magic slot. Has to be aligned on the proper one. I ran out of good grease, so I'm using this garage door grease, which is a white thingy. It's also good. We still have grease in there. Unfortunately, there's no more. Oh, there's his. There you go. Okay, this again, we will align. There you go. Next, let's get some. Okay. See it. This one has to be inside. That's a spacer for the chain. Now we got this. Now for this, I think we're good. There. Now this is the reverse. We're going that way. Go. Okay, tight enough. Good. Then get the protector. Let's put this back. You know what? A W40 would help. It's kind of rough. There. And also here. Remember, the clip, of course, would be on the other side of the cog, the cassette. Where did I put? There you go. Okay, it's tight enough. Good. Okay, folks, this is how you put back your rear wheel. See this space you have, that has to be in there. Yes, I have to expand the brake, seating the brake. There. Okay, this is a quick release mechanism, so oops, too tight. Go. Still too tight. Now loose. be good. There. Let's put back the brake. You don't see, well, you don't need to see the brake. It's easy to put back. But there you go. Cover with a check. That's the dork disc, or I call it spoke guard protector.